Hello, this is wmpyr, here to show you guys some really important angles of attack forms, in my opinion. There's tons, but I think these are good choices. Okay, so the first one is the one that I show you guys probably the most, and it's a diagonal down, sideways, sideways, and then stab. So it's five techniques. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next one is six techniques. Okay, so it's a diagonal down, back the way that you came. Diagonal up from the other side, down the way that you came. And then a stab, retract the stick, and then stab again, but this time to the eye and flick. So flick the eye out. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. All right. Both of those I saw from Professor Daniel Santos, one of his instructional videotapes. Okay, so that's where I got both of those. I really liked them because they were nice and short, and I show them to this day. Okay, so that's 5 and 6. Next is number 7. Number 7 is one that I made that kind of combines 5 and 6 together. Diagonal down, horizontal, horizontal, diagonal up, and then stab. So that's 7 motions. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's the 7 angles of attack. Next is number 8. So number 8 is another one that I made. This one, we're going to divide it into half. So 4 for the first half and another 4 for the next half. Combine them together, total of 8. And that one is, we're following a square pattern. Okay, so you're just making a square in one direction. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just going in one direction, and then you're going to switch to the other direction. So first is a horizontal. Let me go on the high line. So I'm just going to go from right to left. I just went sideways, but high, not in the middle, but headline. Okay, so the next one is top to bottom on the left side, and then now is horizontal, but the low line. So now I'm going left to right, and then on the right side, I'm going to go bottom to top, and that's it. That's the first 4. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can see I'm going in this direction right now. And now the opposite, which let me go this way, which is the high line, left to right. So left to right, and then top to bottom, and then right side to left side on the low line, and then bottom to top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can switch and go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So that's the 8 angles of attack. And now the next one, I'm going to show you guys, the last one is the 12 angles of attack. There's plenty more, okay? But I think these are really, really good, solid basics. This number 12, I learned, it was the first Filipino martial arts form that I learned back in the early 90s when I was learning arnis, okay? And so that's where this comes from. So this one is, it's 12. So there's 12 techniques, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 4 are basically the same, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just number 1 and number 2 is pretty much the face, temple, and then 3 and 4 is shoulder. Okay, you're just doing the same thing but lower. Number 5 is the stab. 6 is on the leg, and 7 is on the leg. So slash the leg with number 6, his left leg, and then slash his right leg with number 7. Okay, and then 8 and 9, I was taught to hit the nerve cluster right there in the arm. So right there, boom. 8 and then 9. 8, 9. This can also, I was also taught to do it to the eyes. So you could do 8 in the eye and then 9 right here in the eye. So either or, but I've also come to learn that you could do it in other parts of the body. You could do it to the throat, the sternum, the ribs. So because it's really a stab. It's a type of stab is what you're doing for 8 and number 9. And then next, 10 and 11 is your fan motion. So 10, 11. Okay, so that could be the temples once again. And then number 12 is on the crown. So you're cracking on the top of the head. All right. So let me go through that one more time. All 12. So ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Okay, so that's the 12 angles of attack. So that's it for now. Thank you for viewing, and take care, folks.